back everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Hope you are good. So we are going to make out with this Duchess fabric with A-line dress that we have a bow tie at the neckline side. So please watch this video down to the end and subscribe to my channel. Also share it for others to see so that they too can see and learn and watch. So please let's get started now. As for the fabric, this this one this is the one that we are using for the bow tie, and that will form the sleeve, so that is why we have it. And this is the main fabric that we are going to use to cut the A-line dress. So for us to start, we'll start with the folding like this. So I will be folding my fabric like this. You know, when folding it, this is how you fold it. So can you see what I'm doing now? So then after this, I will take my length now. So let me take my length, taking my tape like this and place. So what I will do, I will subtract 5 inches from it like this. Let me start from the edge side and then get my length. My length that I'm having is 33 inches. So that is my 33 inches. So I will continue to place it together, actual length that we need. That is 33 inches. So that is the 33 inches. I will now roll it using my hand to roll it like this. So that is it. So after that, now I will go ahead now to take the neckline and the body measurement. My neckline is 3.5 inches, marking my neckline by 3.5 inches. And then it's a straight neckline. So to bring down the armhole line, 1 inch, and then just roll it like this. So I will go ahead now to mark my bust on that line that I marked my 1 inch for the armhole line. My bust is 32. Just add 1 inch on it. You know, since it's a A-line cutting, so we just take it the way it is like this. So where we want is just the bust and the neckline. So what I mean is that I will now roll it like this. So I will take it like this and roll it like this and take it out. So also to come to the bottom side, what we have there is 10.5 inches. So I can still place it like this and then mark. So 28 inches, and then continue to hold it like this and mark 28 inches. You can see it's the same. So it's going like this, 28 inches. So that's what we have there. So I will go ahead now to just cut it out because the measurement is done. So I will just take it like, because the neck is a straight neck. So take it like this. That is for the neck. And then cut it like this. And then take it out like this, so that everything will flare out like this. So can you see what I'm doing? So this is how to also cut it out. So I will also continue from this side of it and cut it out. So this is our A-line dress that we are making. So if you don't understand what we are doing here, please watch the video again so that you can get every detail that we are doing for the cutting, and also have your fabric so that you can cut along, so that by the time you finish cutting, you will be able to say that I can cut it by myself. So let me open it for you to see. So this is it. So this is the neck, so this neck, and this is the straight neck. So I will be using this to cut the front, the back piece. This is the front piece now. So this is how it is. So can you see how it is? So let me cut the front piece, back piece now. This I folded out the back piece, so I will be using the front piece that we cut out and lay on it and then cut it. So just for us to lay the front piece that we cut earlier now, like this. So arrange it well is what I'm doing, and then I will cut. The front neck and the back neckline are the same, so I will just cut it like this. Remember, we subtracted 5 inches because the sleeve is spaghetti that we have up shoulder. So that is it now. So I'll also cut the bottom side of it like this. So after doing all this, I'll go and stitch it. And by the time I want to stitch it, I'll be using 1/2 inch to hold the body side because it's a flare. And no, we didn't add much allowance on it, so that is it. The front and the back piece is cut out now. So cut out the one that we use for the sleeve. This I'm going to fold it. So I'll be folding it like this. And then to get our length, so this is our length, 22 inches. And then it has something like this at the bottom. So what I mean, like this and like this. So we just have that sharp. And what I want to fold out here, that the width is 2.5 inches. So this is one of it now. So I will cut. This is what I mean, cutting it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Also cutting this side of it like this. And then just cut it out. So this is the one part of the sleeve that we are cutting out. So can you see how it is now? So let me take this one out and show you how it is. So this is how it will be. You can see the sharp V like this. So we'll go and stitch like this and turn it out and iron it. So this is one of it. So I'll be using this one to cut the second of the sleeve. Let me do that. So here is my bow tie that I want to use. So I will be folding it like this, and then the width 5 inches and the length 7.5 inches. So it's not straight. So let me use my scissors to straight it out. So that is it. So I will go and run a stitch on it also, and then iron it out, and then our bow tie will be formed out. So let me go and stitch it round and iron it out. So I'm going to iron it out, as you can see, and this is the two sleeve. So I will show you how to fit the sleeve now on the body of the clothes that we are doing now. So let me do that and also show you how to join the body parts. This is the bow tie now. So this is the one that I will using, just to drag it like this, and use this to hold it like this. So I'll be using it to hold it like this. So you can see that it has formed out like this by the time I fold it like this. So this is the bow tie now. So I will be using my hand needle to tack it, and it will form out. The one that we are using for the sleeve now. So you can see how it is now. The one that I shape out the front, the way it came out. So that is what I'm trying to point out. So this is how it will be. So I will also show you how to fix it now on the body. So I'm going to do the neckline, and then going to mark our bust. So I will taking 1/2 inch to use and sew it down, and the bust is 32 inches, remember. So this is our bust, 32 inches. So I will use it 1/2 inch at the side, both sides, and run it down. So let me do that with the back and the front. So now we join the body part now is to fit the sleeve. So this I'm going to start with the sleeve. So I'll be having my pin to show you what to do. So I'll start it from the back side and pin it at the neckline like this. So this is the neckline. So this I'm going to sew it on the machine. So you're using my pin to show you what to do. So now we fix it from the back side. So this is the front. So we just place it like this and to come like this. And what I need here is 5 inches. Remember, it's 5 inches that we subtract. So then we'll now bring our bow tie and subtract that 5 inches to get where we will put our bow tie. So it's 8 inches near the chest line. So then place it like this. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So you place it, and then I'm using my pin to also hold it down again. But all of this I will use hand needle to tack it, just for me to use the pin to pin it down like this first. So now, can you see what I did here now? So we've gotten the first side of our sleeve. So coming to the second part like this, it's the same thing. So we'll be fixing it from the back side of it like this, and then place it, that is the neckline here. So it will come like this. So we'll fix our both sleeve and our sleeve here now. So can you see how it is? So this is how it will be. So our dress, A-line dress will be ready. So let me do that now. So our A-line dress is ready to wear out. As you can see the combination, you can see what we use and make the sleeve and the bow tie. So this is how we came to achieve this style for today. I hope you enjoy it watching, and I hope you have your fabric so that you can sew this kind of style that we just made. Very lovely. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also comment, share to others so that they can see and learn and watch. So thank you once more for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.